Hybrid drone delivery path planning system by Team Udaan. The landing page shows list of drones with their details available in the warehouse to send for the trip land. On the dashboard, we can see the list of drones available for the trip along with their availability status, which can be manually toggled. We can then proceed to create a new trip, entering coordinates of the headquarters and the delivery locations on the new trips page. On submitting the details about delivery locations coordinates, we get to know the most optimized path to reduce carbon emissions and also save time. The page also tells which drone has been picked for the drone delivery along with the time required for that delivery. We also have the liability to edit the delivery locations coordinates and the payload of the parcel associated with that delivery. We click on Execute Delivery button to land on a page called Trips History, which tells us information about the current delivery being performed along with some valuable information. We can create further trips and add more drones as per our requirement. We can then finish the delivery and the drones which were inactive while in use are now back available. Now proceed to the animation demo of the solution that we have worked upon.